If you are new to the gym and have no idea how to set up a Smith machine for hip thrust, don't worry. This guide will walk you through it step by step. The first thing you need to do is place a bench next to the Smith machine, and before loading any weight, take a moment to check your setup. Position your upper to mid back on the edge of the bench. Now place your feet on the floor and find a position wherein at the top of the moment your knees are roughly at a 90-degree angle. And this is a position you want to maintain throughout the exercise. So adjust the bench if needed before you begin. Next, don't forget to use a barbell pad. It makes a huge difference in comfort and prevents the bar from digging into your pelvic area. And once you're ready, roll the bar over your hips, position yourself under it, and unlock the Smith machine. Before you start your reps, brace your core by engaging your abs, and this will help your keeping your spine stable and prevent excessive arcing of your lower back. And as you lower the bar, only go as far as you can while maintaining the body position. Don't drop so low that your knee position changes or you lose your setup. Stay controlled, then drive through your feet and push your hips back up until your glutes are fully contracted. And pause for a second and then bring it down. And for your head position, you can either keep your neck in front like me or in line of your spine as you move. And choose whatever feels comfortable for you while maintaining the good posture. And throughout the movement, keep your core engaged, avoid overarching your lower back. And that's it. Once your setup is correct, hip thrust becomes more effective, safer, and a lot easier to perform consistently. And if you're new to the gym, then follow me along for more such videos.